Hello, welcome to SATSERV. Here I'll be explaining the post-processing operation of the static data collected from the rover in a Windows system. For first, we'll be creating a new project in the project icon. Click on the project icon to enter the interface. Here, the first step is to give the project name. Here I'll be giving it as PR1 for example. Just click OK. Once you create OK on the icon, you'll be redirected to a new tab. Here, you should fill your project information like project name. This all information will be saved in your project folder. So here I'll be giving as P1. The construction will be the landmark where you will be doing the survey. That is, for example, I can give it as a tree. The principal. What is the principal purpose of your survey? Here, for example, I will be giving it for agriculture. And the surveyor name. Here, I'll be giving an example called Rahul. The start date. And the end date. And in the description, you can type your description, whatever you are doing. And the time zone. So India falls under +5 time zone and click here 30 seconds. That is 5 minutes 30 seconds. Sorry, it's 5 hour and 30 minutes time zone. Then click OK. Here you'll be redirected to another window. So in here, just click on the height fitting icon. Here, here in the height fitting, click on the model, select grid, and in the type menu, select the file egm96.ggf and then click OK. After clicking OK, you now have to import the data. For that, you have two options, one on the top and one on the bottom. For instance, I will take on the top input. Just click on import data. Here you can see select file option. Click on select file option. Here you have to navigate to your folder where you have stored the static data from the rover. Click onto the file and select all data and just open the files. It will take little time to load every file. Once every folder or the files have extracted, you can see the lines in the graph as on the screen. Go to observation files here. Here you have to see which is the longest run file in the time span. Here the GPS3 point has run for the longest period of time, that is 6 hours 29 minutes. Remember that point. Then go to the next point here. Here in this, search for that point. Here the GPS3 has been selected. Just right click on the file number and set it as a control point. Once you choose it as a base point, here you can see a triangle mark on that point. Just come back to project plot graph. Here you can see on the point of GPS 3, you can see a triangle in marked in colored. So this shows that we have marked the GPS 3 as a base point from where we will be referencing all the other points. After completing the baseline, go to process baseline at the bottom of the screen. You can see. Here, click on process all. It will take some time to process all the information. Just wait for a while. Once the processing is complete, you can see here on the bottom of the line all baselines solved, eligible baseline and ineligible baselines. So here the ineligible baseline is 0. That means every data you have collected was eligible data. Once the data is processed, it is time to export the data. For that, click on the export icon here and choose the file format that you have to export. You can choose from the various available format. Here I'll choose it for .csv file and then just click OK. Just click OK again and the file has been converted and now it has been opening in the Excel sheet. So these are the points which are collected and processed. So that's it.